Khan.
And also, I think it's extremely encouraging to see
Post
women, a lot more
Anup
women fighting
versus
in this
Mohammad
sport.
Saban.
It's definitely
Please report to the green
a
room.
new avenue in sports in India.
Go.
All right, and they're off. Round one underway. This is an MMA bout. This is not a kickboxing bout, so we can expect some nice ground and pound. We can expect some
And it is a
takedowns.
title fight, so everything's on the line. This is it, ladies and gentlemen.
Fighting for the cash, fighting for the belt. Again, ladies and gentlemen, Bhakti fighting out of the red corner and Spurti out of the blue corner.
Both fighters trying to take the center of the cage. That's a good exchange there by Bhakti.
Spurti answering back with a combination of her own.
This is some high volume from both fighters in the clinch against the cage.
Good energy to start the fight. Now they've got themselves in a clinch situation. Oh, okay. Bhakti on
Really
top.
well done there by Bhakti. Clearly showing her experience. She's
She's
taking
got the back.
now.
Will she get the RNC? Can't see too much
Not
from
quite
this
there.
angle.
Fighting hands.
Bhakti
here,
has an
Spurti.
opportunity to throw some hands at the head. There we go.
There we
Nice.
go. Trying to loosen her up to get the choke in.
She's still doing a really good job of locking her legs
There
on
it
the
is, it's
inside.
in, it's
There's the
in.
RNC. It's. I think it's safe to say that it's laid over, ladies and gentlemen.
She's trying to sprawl her out.
A couple of strikes coming from
I don't
Spurti
think
out of desperation.
I don't think it's all the way in. She needs to.
She might have a little more opportunity to tighten up the choke from there.
No,
Loosening
both her
out
hands
the-
are unclasped in.
Right.
What
Bhakti doing
Bhakti
good.
needs to do is get the hook in and sprawl her out. So she's, yeah, exactly that.
Nice.
And now she's trying to loosen her up with the strikes.
Incredible pressure from Bhakti.
Blue action!
To start off this first
She's
round,
very
going
close
so
to being
strong.
stopped here. The ref is really close on the action here. A lot
There's
of
no
unanswered
action.
shots. This could be it.
Not on the earth.
I think there's no answer from Spurti from the blue corner. Bhakti seems to be in the
I
completely
need
dominating
action.
position.
Clearly showing her experience here.
Not on the back.
Even though
Not on the
these
back.
shots are landing, I don't think they're doing much damage, but then just
Agreed.
having another person on you,
Red, not on the
sprawling
back.
you out flat, and then trying to look for that choke is just very exhausting.
Absolutely. She's got
There
her
it
on the
is.
hook there
She's-
again.
I think she's got it. No, slips out
Going for it.
again.
Red, not on the back.
Absolute domination from Bhakti though. Not letting her move at all. Managing to close her legs.
I need an
Managing to
action.
keep her.
Purti trying to turn in and give her full mount. She's turned sideways. Oh, there it is. There it is.
That's more like a
Slips out
face crank.
again. This is really good understanding
top.
of grappling by Bhakti.
Incredible.
She's pouring it down. This is very close to being stopped here.
Incredible.
That's all she has to do. Remember, this is an amateur bout, so there's no elbows.
The amount of cardio and energy it takes to maintain this kind of
There it is,
composure.
looking
and
for the
strength look
armbar.
Incredible
She's looking for
stuff
the
from
armbar. It's
Bhakti.
not there yet.
Will she get it?
Oh,
Oh!
that's reversed. Oh,
Good
she still
job.
has
Oh,
it.
she's got the armbar. She might have to tap over here.
Blue, are you okay?
10 seconds to go.
Look,
Can
can
she
you-
finish off
can
this
you-
armbar before the round finishes, ladies and gentlemen?
There it
Let's
is.
see. It's called. The fight is called.
It's okay.
I think the fight has been called.
Fight has been called off. That is it.
Win by submission. Armbar to Bhakti. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Bhakti with an absolutely dominating performance in the first round. Started with the hands, started on the feet, but I think from there, Bhakti just showed complete domination when it came to the grappling segment.
Completely agreed there, Kadesh.
She went from a rear naked choke,
Wait
she
for the
tried a
announcement.
face crank, and then eventually wound up.
As Kadesh said, absolutely dominant performance there by Bhakti. He said, very clinical with the progression in
And
positions.
incredibly tactical as well. The way that she maneuvered from trying to get the RNC, then to the face.
That's the progression of jiu-jitsu. That just shows her experience.
Absolutely.
And as you said, she's fought at APFC. She's fought at the big stage. She's bringing that experience here today at Body Force Fighting Championship Rising Warriors Edition 3.
Definitely a belt-worthy performance in my opinion, and definitely has seized the cash prize as
There you
well.
have it, ladies and gentlemen. Your champion, Bhakti.